everyone, it's your girl Destiny.
Pop in a, throw up the sex in a. And I can put you in.
Today we're gonna be doing a natural makeup look using only drugstore makeup products for the most part. We're gonna just get right into this video and I'm just gonna show y'all how I turn my face from this to this. The first thing we're gonna do, y'all, we are gonna go in and do the eyebrows. I'm just gonna prime them so they can be, you know, ready for later on, because I do my eyebrows last now for the most part. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Slick Day Brow. Now a good alternative would be like the NYX one. Y'all, I do not have that one. I haven't seen it at Ulta today, so I could not get it, but that's a good alternative that I heard great things about. So the eyebrows are slicked down, you guys. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna clean them up with my Morphe concealer. This one is in the shade Rich 32 Warm. Next, we're gonna go in and prime the face. I'm gonna use two different primers. I'm going to be using e.l.f. Power Grip right here with the Niacinamide version, and then I'm gonna be using their liquid Poreless Putty to put in my T-zone area for my pores and make sure that everything sits good on the skin. One thing I love about this primer, y'all, is the grip, because like it should not have that much grippage. e.l.f. is really coming for the bag this year. This product is a great dupe for the one size but the one size blur primer, because like it does the exact same thing. It fills in everything and the skin really just be looking amazing afterwards. The only difference is this one is more liquidy, so instead of like rubbing it across, I say tap in, just so everything can like sit in the skin. The face is primed and everything. I let it sit on there for like a couple of seconds or so, but now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Hydrating Extended Foundation, and I got mine in the shade Deep 32N. Now I have a love-hate relationship with this foundation, y'all, simply because it was hard for me to find my shade, but I do love the finish, so I just kept it because I love the way it looks on the skin. And it's gonna look a little dark to begin with, y'all. That's because my skin is like 15,000 shades, so like ignore it. I know I look scary right now, but just work with me, y'all. I promise y'all it's gonna make sense in the end. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe concealer again, and I'm gonna put it up under my under eyes, like here, out here, bit here. Gonna take some on the bridges of my nose as well, forehead, down the nose, and like look at that, like look at that finish. Look at the coverage. Like this is a good concealer. I'm gonna use a brightening concealer just to put like in like the inner parts of my eyes, and I got the L'Oreal True Match right here in the shade C7. I love this concealer. It is also hydrating. It got coffee in it to wake up the skin. Like this was a great concealer that I bought. While that product is sitting, I'm gonna go in with a new concealer today. It's gonna be the Milani cream right here, and I have mine in Chef's Kiss. I've used it like once or twice, but I'm gonna try it again to see, because I don't think it's dark enough for my skin, but I'm not gonna count it out just yet. I'm gonna just try to see how it is, because I really do love the formula of it, and it was only like $13, y'all, so this was a steal. Like, okay, it shows up like a tiny little bit, but it shows up enough. So I'm just gonna put this in the normal areas of my skin. I'm not gonna take no extra product and go like up under my cheeks or so. To let the cream contour sit a little bit while I go out and blend this. And blend out this contour to make sure I stamp it in and just like bring it up. Do not go down too much, because you don't want your face to like droop. So we're just gonna bring it up, make it look higher than like what it is. Like you see how that looks so good. Now we're gonna blend everything out. My forehead is way bronzer than what I wanted it to be, but if that ever happens, y'all, just take your brush that you had earlier and just like go around the perimeter to add some highlight back. Yeah, like that. I decided I want to do kind of like a pink blushy type, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Blush right here, and this one is in the shade Coming in Hot Pink. Hopefully it's not too bright, y'all, because I don't want it to be too, you know, clownish, because I can do that. So, oh, that is bright. Okay. Maybe take a little bit more. Okay, maybe that's too much. Oh, this is pink. We're gonna try to fix this. So just take that brush and just go over it. Next, we're gonna go in and set the face. I'm gonna be using my Kiss product, y'all. Now, this product is amazing. I love everything about it. And it is in translucent tan, so it's kind of a little bright. That's one thing I do love. So look how much of a difference that made. And then I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place powder right here, y'all, and I'm gonna let it bake on the skin just so it can give like a little bit of brightening, but not too much. I'm gonna go in with my thick matte powder, y'all. Like I said, I do not have a drugstore version of this, just to set the contour and make sure it looks good. I'm gonna go in and use my foundation brush and clean up under my contour just a little bit. And now I'm gonna dust away the excess of this. Go in with my Morphe Continuous spray, just to spray. But next I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place blush right here. This is the volume 1. And I'm gonna go in with this top shape right here just because it's similar to what's on my cheeks. But yeah, is it just me? Or do like, we all go like borderline clown when it comes to blush? Because I love blush, but I need to tone it down some. Like, I kind of went a little overboard right now. Like, now I gotta fix this. Like, oh, y'all. Having blush is my biggest hater. I'm gonna take my Juvias Place palette right here, the coffee shop one. Oh, and I'm gonna take maybe like one of the darker shades just to give it some depth in my eyes and give it, you know, something cute. So I'm gonna take probably this brown right here just to like put something there. And then I'm gonna go in and put something on the lid. I guess I'm gonna take this one right here and put this on the lid because I don't want to do too much. I ended up going in like putting some like pink blush up there. So I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop palette and I'm gonna probably take Marshmallow Me right here and put it over the lid. Just take my finger, rub it in. Yeah, that's pretty. These are what the eyes looking like, y'all. So hopefully they look good. I'm a little scared, I don't know, because I wasn't planning on doing something like this, but it's still simple and cute, so I'm gonna just go with it. I'm gonna take probably that same shade and see what it will look like on the cheeks. So yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, for like a subtle shimmer. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like that is so pretty. All right, y'all, so I decided not to do any lashes because I'm just not feeling it right now. It was hard for me to put them on, so I did some mascara. This is what it looks like. This eye started running, so I had to like do like a little 1-2 fix, but we are back. I'm thinking I want to maybe do a liner. I don't know yet, but it's going to be like a liner in the waterline. I got my white right here from Colourpop. This is the shade Exit. Of course, it's a normal white one, so I think I'll put this in my waterline just to see how it looks. Yeah, that makes a huge difference in my eyes. I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I'm gonna be taking Benefit brow pencil because once again, I do not have any drugstore brow pencils. Just gonna be filling it in. We're gonna take the Urban Decay, this part, and draw some hair-like strokes. Last but not least, y'all, I'm going to my lip. I have this NYX matte lip liner right here in the shade Club Hopper. It's a brown. I'm just gonna line my lips. Okay, this is not a brown. Got a new lip liner. This one is by Kiss. This is in the shade Chocolate. It's brown. These lip liners are trash. Oh my gosh. Can I find a good lip liner? So I'm gonna go in with my normal, which is the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, because I can't find no other lip liner. So this is the one I'm gonna use. Then I'm going with my Kiss lipstick. This was in the shade Honey Glaze. It is a nude. But last, I'm gonna go with my NYX Butter Bling right here. I have this one in the shade Bring the Bling. Just the gold, and I'm gonna just put that in the center. And then I'm gonna go over with this spray again to set everything. Alright everyone, and that is it for today's video. I hope you all love this look. It is so pretty. It is pink. It is festive. I love the way it turned out, but I do need to try and do more eyeshadow, y'all. So I'm trying out here, but I love everything about this makeup look. Even though we had some errors here, we were able to fix it and come back strong. But this is so pretty, y'all. I don't know what it is about pink on me, but I love it. But anyways, y'all, that is it for today's video. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what makeup look you want me to try next, or if you want me to try any new products, y'all. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know what's up. But anyways, y'all, I hope you all have a great week, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.